There was speed controller that I traced to the product, and now I created one my own. I can now adjust the brightness of this DC LED 5 watts bulb. The bulb is steady and not flickering. Only this camera is saying, see, great. This is my DIY one. The IC there is a 555 timer IC, some diodes, potentiometer, and a CMT MOSFETs.